Mga buhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa isang Dwaine vlog starring Pabibo with...
Pabebe.
Bakit nangyari sa'yo?
Kasi pangit-pangit.
And of course, Pabibe! Hello, baby Nitro! Hello! Hey, baby! Hello, baby! We're going to show you a miracle. Isang milagro to. Isang himala. This is a huge blessing and surprise for us kasi hindi na umiiyak si Baby Nitro kapag pinapaligoan na siya. Galing ni Baby Nitro. Ayan, so ipapakita namin sa inyo kung anong ginawa namin para hindi siya umiyak. Actually, meron ba tayong ginawa na iba? Bago tayo magsimula, we are going to do some quick shoutouts, alright? So dito sa side na to, i-display natin ang mga shoutouts. Una sa lahat, top fan, Floor, Yek, Otidog, ang cute ni Baby Nitro. Buyag. Diba? Buyag, pero usog, ganon. Okay, maraming salamat po. Next from Facebook, top fan, we have Pris Joe Lapis. Tapang ni Baby Nitro. Kanino mana? Mana kay Mami kasi waray si Mami. Right from YouTube naman, shout out to Shell Nicolas. Saan kayo dito sa Australia? Good idea to move here in Australia. Fresh air tayo dito. At oo, dito allowed lumabas. So, mali pala si Kim Chu. Pwede lumabas. It's me, Jaisel Declaro. Dapat po di ninyo po papatingin sa glass po.
Ba't naka-shoutout?
Kasi yung ngipin ng baby baka po paglaki magkakasungke. Hindi, that's superstition lang yan. Diba? Superstition lang yan. There's no scientific evidence. Walang masama kapag nakatingin si baby sa mirror or sa glass or anything like that. We're gonna play the Dwaine intro, the animated intro, and get the vlog started. Alright, let's go!
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Hi, baby. Look, it's us. It's us, baby. Hello. Hi. Hello. 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 Hi. Hello. Hello po. Oh, follow. Here. Very good. Okay, now down. Down. Very good. Now up. Up. Ooh, and down. Inside. Hello, Dr. Angel. Tama po ba ginagawa namin? You ask Dr. Angel, ask.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Yeah, the baby's nice and clean. Under the kitty.
No, lamig.
Yeah, oh, that's it. Yeah, the kitty. On the leg. On the leg, yeah. Oh, it's okay. It's just a bath. It's just a bath. Yes, it is, baby. Where's the one? You on that now, baby? On the back. We're gonna do the back as
Sige na.
well. Yeah. We done. That was easy, wasn't it?
No, it's
Yeah,
not
you're
done
crying.
yet. Ang head pa.
Huh? You want me to
We're not
shampoo his
done
head? Oh, mommy's doing it now, isn't she? Yes. Yes, mommy's cleaning you
Tapos na
up.
niya kilikili.
Yeah, tapos na. Tapos na ang kilikili. Tapos na, baby. Yeah.
Sige na. Huwag kayo nagluluto.
Parang nagluluto kami. We're gonna pour the
Kettle pa.
pour the kettle on. Yeah, yes, baby. Don't worry, it's not hot with that. No.
Batang bata.
It's not mapaso. It's not mainit, baby. No. It's not mainit.
Mainit ka mo. Look, umiiyak.
Oh! We're getting out. Alright, well, we can get you out now because you eat. Yeah, umihi ka. Yeah, yun yung diskarte mo, no? Para iwas bath time. Umihi na lang. There you go. Mommy's gonna wash you off with the kettle. Hello, ka. Oh boy, you did very well. Yes, you did. Yes, you did, baby. Yes, you did. The baby did so good. The baby did so good. Yeah.
Ang kiwalya.
Magiwa. Not iyak. The baby did not iyak. No, the baby did not iyak.
So cute.
Yes, such a cute baby. Yes. You did a good job, baby. Yeah. You did a very good job. Yes, you did.
Oh.
Oop. Very good job, baby boy. Yeah, very good.
Very good job, Daddy.
Hey, very
Good job.
Nitro. Yeah. Oop. Hey, baby.
Natatakot siya.
Bath time. Yes. This is the second day of bath time. Kahapon. Yun yung napanood nyo kanina. Yun yung kahapon. This is today. So, yeah, tingnan natin si baby. Oh, sanay ka na, no? Sanay ka na sa bath time, baby. Parang he's kinakabahan lang, pero hindi siya umiiyak na.
Hindi ka nga natatakot sa injection. Takot ka sa tubig.
It's a success! Hindi na umiiyak si baby! Sige, sabunan na ni daddy, baby, ha? Yay! Baby, you overcame bath time! Woohoo! Grabe, we've come a long way from when we first gave him a bath, di ba? Sana all goes well. Hey, it's kind of warm, I guess. Okay. Let's see how easy. He doesn't like that.
No. This bad. I need this bad.
Put me a line now. Okay, baby, tapos na. Ngayon, your reward, Nitro, is Daddy will do leg raises. Parang nagustuhan niya. Basta nagla-leg raises ako, nagustuhan niya. Nag-improve na talaga kami pag bath time. Ginagamit po namin yung kettle dahil ano lang siya, pangbuhos lang siya ng tubig. So hindi namin pinapainit yung tubig sa kettle kasi delikado yan, boiling water na yan, di ba? Hindi namin ginagawa yun. We just use it as a tool to pour water on the baby. Yun lang. Hindi, baka may mag-comment dyan, bakit kaya lang ginagamit niyo? Hindi siya boiling water, it's just warm water. Okay, we don't heat up the water sa loob ng kettle. Delikado yan, hindi namin ginagawa yan. Okay guys! Alright guys, ito na po ang katapusan ng ating vlog for today. Alright, so we will see you sa sunod na video ng Dwaine. Araw-araw na po tayo. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Wag lang sa Sunday para magpahinga na kami. Alright guys, thank you so much and we will see you bukas na. Bye for now.